Okay, so now we are going to go over Creative Motion. It's going to be weird because I'm using Creative Motion to record this, so hopefully there won't be any issues. Um, so we'll go down to Creative Labs and we'll click on Creative Motion. And right here, you see you've got multiple uh, tabs. Let me going across here. So you got Creator, Editor, Talking Avatar, Hey Gen, Translate, Revoice, Remove Background, AI Generation, Split, Captions, Text to MP3. This thing does it all. So, with that said, let's go over the Creator. So, this is where you can record all your videos. So, you can select what size of canvas you want your videos to be presented in. You can select camera, screen, or cam and screen. You can select, obviously, turn the mic off or turn the mic on. Right here is your script for if you want to put a script in your teleprompter, and live stream. This is, once again, if you want to live stream to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, X, Kick, TikTok, or you can put a custom URL stream key in here. And you can stream to all of them simultaneously by clicking add destination. So right here, I can do YouTube and Facebook at the same time, or I can click them all. And once again, you can do screen or cam and screen and preview. And I can't do that because I'm already recording with, that's what it said failed, because I'm already recording in Creative Builder using Creative Motion right now. So, but that is all of the um, options you can preview. And the buttons are showing blank as well because, once again, I'm already recording. So uh, I'll highlight them. That way it shows what they are. So, for example, if you select camera, which I'm not using right now, so I can actually use that. Um, there we go. So you can select preview, you can stop the preview, you can start recording, and you also have a pause button. And that's an awesome feature. You can pause it. So let me go ahead and stop recording. And when you're done, it allows you to click a button and it will pop into automatically into the editor and you can edit. So let's go ahead and go into the editor and we can pull something in from our library. So let's do uh, this AI spokesperson. And right here, for example, you can drag the video in real time. And then, for example, if this is where you want to stop and you want to cut this last section out, you mark split here and you would hit delete. You can mark in where you would like to put something. So, for example, if you wanted to put another video, then we would put it right there. It's very simple to use. So we can delete the range and start all the way back from scratch. All right. Obviously, the undo library, and you can upload your video as well. You can change the speeds, and once again, you have more control right here where you can insert video before, after, and upload before, upload after. And this is just, once again, it's just the difference between picking from your library or uploading. You can put text overlays on your video. You can put background audio in. So, for example, if you record something in the text to MP3, oh, then you can put it right here. So that means, or for example, let me give you a better example. Say, for example, you're wanting to do um, a video. So you pick 9/16 and you're wanting to do a video. I forgot what they're called. There's a specific name of the videos where they just show you walking around and typing or whatever, and you're talking over it. Um, shoot, I can't remember the name of those style of videos. But anyways, that's where you would add this. So you could just take a video, record yourself just doing whatever, and then voice your content, and also you can have your text overlay right here as well. So let me, and obviously this is just the different sizes you can pick for your output. And then you would click export video. So those are all the things that the editing tool does. Now you can, once again, you can generate clips in AI Gen tab, and anything using AI you have to have credits for. So if you're wanting to use the AI, like for example, the talking avatar, you would pick a picture of someone, and I don't have hardly any images in here. But you would pick an image of someone and uh, even yourself or whatever, and then you would pick a voice, and then you would write your script. And it looks like, let me see if I have an example. I don't think I do. No, I don't have an example of one, but it literally looks like, the person, whoever, they're just talking. And then you have Hey Jen, where you can choose from, I believe it's 1,600 different avatars, or 1,600 variations of hundreds of avatars, something of that nature. So as you can see here, it's the same person, but there's several different variations. And you can choose between male and female. And then you can select your voice. And then you can select the video format and what model. And then you put your script in here, and you have a automatic salesperson. So this is a really powerful tool. Next, we have, so this is in Avatar Studio under Hey Jen. And then you got Photo Avatar, where you can generate a AI person of your own. So you just give a name, select the age, gender, ethnicity. You can select the orientation of the video. You can select what their pose is, and you select realistic, stylized, or artistic. And then you put a description of the appearance of the person that you want, and it will create your avatar for you. And then you can use that in the Avatar Studio. So you can actually create your own avatar, which is crazy, or you can upload your own. So you can upload a photo of your avatar. Let me go to, I'm just going to select this person here. And I'm going to name it test, create avatar group 1. And like I said, this will create your own avatar right here. And the even cooler thing is you can train your avatar in speaking and all that stuff. It is absolutely nuts. And I don't have the time to go through, because it walks you through how to do it. So there's no need for me to create a video on it. But you can actually train your avatar, this person right here, to speak, speak and, to sell or whatever to market, whatever you're trying to teach them to do. This is your person. And the thing I forgot to show you too, and to create another, you can actually upload multiple images of that person. That way it has different perspectives of that person. And then lastly, here under the Hey Jen, you have your AI spokesperson. And this is pretty much where you would give your video a prompt, and you would generate a AI spokesperson for the prompt. So, and it's works a lot like the talking avatar. It's just a little more advanced. All right, so next we'll go to the translate tab. And right here is where you can have your videos translated up to 30 different languages. This is super powerful if you're using YouTube, because now you can do YouTube English, YouTube Spanish, Portuguese, whatever. And let me take it off of party mode here. Oh, it is. All right. So target language would be Spanish, because English, obviously, most of my users anyways, will be talking Spanish first, but I mean English first. And your video source, you can get it from the media library, or you can paste in a URL from, like, for example, YouTube. And you can have the quality based on translation quality, based on precision or speed. This is extremely powerful tool, especially if you're wanting to be everywhere. All right, the next tab is Revoice, and it's just like it sounds. You will be able to uh, provide a video of you or someone else speaking, and then the AI will resync that video to a different script. It's crazy. So, for example, you would go to text the MP3, which we'll get to. You will record that, and then you would just drop it right here. So you would have your source video, and then you would have your text to MP3, your full script. Just drop it in here, and now it'll make that person say exactly what the script says. It's absolutely insane. Next, we have remove background, and it's just like it says. It'll remove a background, and you can also do it for green screen. So this is uh, mainly powerful for any of our pure video editors out there. All right, next we got AI Gen, and this is where you can create anything that your mind can come up with. The models you can use is VO3, Luma, MiniMax, and Kling. You put a prompt in here, and it will generate any video that you can freaking think of. The more detailed and the more research you do on how to create these prompts, the better the videos will become. Um, this is a really cool tool. And it also makes good transition videos. So if you're making, like, for example, Instagram videos and you need like transitions, uh, this makes really good like transitions or backgrounds, like background videos for you to talk over. So those are really good as well. And now I remember the name, what I was talking about when I said it's, if you're just, doing something in your house, or you're typing and you're voicing on top of it, they're called B rolls. That's what I was trying to think of. So you can definitely create B rolls, uh, so many different variations with this tool. The split tool allows you to do exactly what it is, what it says. You take a long form video, you put it in here, and you tell it how long you want the clip durations to be, and what output you want it to be, and it will chop that video up into the segments. So if you've got a 10-minute video and you want 60 seconds, it'll give you 10 mini clips of that video, so on and so forth. This is probably one of the features that I use the most. And captions is just like it says. You can put your video in here, and you can put captions to any video that you want. So standard captions or real style captions. And lastly, we have text to MP3, and that's the one I keep mentioning, but haven't showed yet. This is where you type in, and you can obviously hit the microphone here and just talk it in. Use Magic Rewrite, and you can select a voice, and it will spit out a MP3 file uh, of whatever you put, and then you can drop that into Revoice for your video if you want to, or you can just record an MP3 for yourself and of talking, and do it that way as well. So as you can see here, you got a record audio button right here. So you can just actually, if you just want to talk out your script, you can record the audio and do it yourself. But the text MP3 is really cool because you can have different voices uh, over top of for example, your B rolls. So there's just so many things you can do just with this one tool. Um, it's insane. Now, as you can see, each tab here has, for example, different instructions, whatever, and that's with every tab. That way, you get an idea of exactly what you need to do. But this video pretty much covered everything without, without me actually doing it. And once again, I just can't do it because I'm recording it. Doesn't matter if I was recording in Creative Builder or if I was recording with another tool. You just can't record twice, show them at the same time twice, if that makes sense, simultaneously. So hopefully this video did do some justice, though. Now, the thing is, if you have any questions, you can just go to your bot here and ask any questions that it wants. But I think if you watch this video and you go through the video while going through the features, I've pretty much laid out exactly what everything does and what to expect. So now the only thing is just for execution. So with that said, I will see you guys in the next video.